I'm Cathy Taub with Sotheby's International Realty, and I'm super excited to show you this amazing terrace penthouse on New York City's Upper West Side. Fun fact about this building, it was designed by architect William Boring in 1908 in the Beaux-Arts style, and it is anything but boring. The sun-flooded 5,000 square foot penthouse features a primary suite, a gigantic eat-in kitchen, wrapped terraces, and a huge roof deck with views of the river and New York City. There is so much to show you in this apartment, so let's get started. One of the many things I love about this apartment is that you have your own private landing, which means you don't share a space with any neighbors. And you walk into this incredible great room. The great room is divided into 3 separate spaces. There's a living room, a dining room, and a breakfast nook. And in the middle is a marble-clad gas fireplace. This marble was hand-delivered from a quarry in Italy. It's super luxe and beautiful. The floors throughout are quarter-sawn and rift-hewn oak, some of which are laid in a herringbone pattern. One of the many design features of this space that I love is the tray ceiling. And you'll notice that there's perimeter lighting throughout. And can you believe all this gorgeous natural light? It's so bright, you need to wear your sunglasses in this apartment. But my favorite feature of this space has to be the floor-to-ceiling wraparound French doors. The casement French doors create this incredible pattern of sunlight on the floor and are open with this beautiful brass hardware. Can you believe this wrapped terrace? It's the ultimate trophy penthouse. I love the contrast between the contemporary interiors and the landmark architecture from William Boring's turrets and to the landscape along this terrace. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling very hungry, and what better place to eat than in this amazing kitchen? American millworker Christopher Peacock designed this custom kitchen, and no detail was spared. And the star of the show, this slab Arabiscato marble imported from Italy. I've mentioned the light throughout, but here we've got sunrise and sunset views. Talk about an eat-in kitchen. You can cook and gather with family and friends. More than 50 people could hang out in this space. And if you're tired from all that entertaining, I have the perfect space for you. So this level features 3 guest bedrooms, a lounge area, and of course, the primary suite. This warm and inviting primary suite is the perfect place to relax and unwind. The 4 clerestory arched windows are so distinctive and remind me of the noble architecture of this building. The primary suite features the ultimate spa-like bathroom. There's luxurious Calicut marble throughout, deep soaking tub, double sinks, and steam shower with a peekaboo window. And just when you thought you've seen it all, I have one more surprise for you. And what better way to end this tour on yet another private rooftop terrace? There's over 2,800 square feet of private roof terrace, multiple seating areas, and views of the Hudson River and beyond. Thank you for joining me today to view this palatial penthouse on Manhattan's Upper West Side. I hope you enjoyed yourself as much as I enjoyed showing you. Cheers!
If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content, subscribe to Open House TV.